May nakikitang hindi okay. May nakikitang sila lang ang nakakakita. Yeah, 11:40 na, tulog na. Tulugan na. Kamuy! Aston, huwag kang sumabay. Hindi yan maganda. Gaya-gaya ka lang, Aston. Ay? Ay? Bantay si Ningning, kaya naisakit si Ningning, oh. Bantay si Ningning ton, ha. Nagluya ang akong Ningning na siya, yayay. Nayayay si Ningning, oy, nagluya. Bot naman sana siya. Usahay mula ka, usahay po dili. Ay, gira ginuktok. Naku, problema ni Ningning. Magandang umaga. Hello. Okay lang. Kamustamos? Dipish. Nakapunta ka na dito sa Pilipinas? Wala pa. Or wala pa? Kumain ka. Kakakain ko lang po. Nakapunta ka na ng Philippines? I remember your name. Remember me, remember E. Remember M, remember E. Depeche. Princess Kitchen, yes. Yes. No. No. How did you know? No, I did not. I remember your name. What happened to you? Mahal and mahal. So you have mahal here in Philippines, the fish. Who is your mahal? Who is your mahal in Philippines? I come before. Really? Did you come here? Did you come? Pumunta ka na dito sa Pilipinas? English naman tayo eh. Kita mag-English. Sana all mahal. Oh. Your bio is mahal and mahal. Who is that? Who is your mahal? Description, mahal and mahal. So you have mahal. You know what is mahal? Mahal ang bugas. Aloha. Aloha, oy. Aloha, oy. Sana all may mahal.